Palusami. Coconut cream baked in taro leaves. A main dish from Samoa. You will
Serves
need 5
4
ingredients. Step 1. To prepare the coconut cream, scrape 5 fresh coconuts into the baking tin. Step 2. Bake in oven until brown. Add warm water. Step 3. Squeeze with a thin cloth to get cream. Step 4. Add salt and onion to personal taste. Step 5. To prepare the palusami, get taro leaves. You will need approximately 4 leaves for 1 luau. Step 6. Use 1 big leaf and 3 or 4 smaller leaves. You can break a bigger leaf to make a smaller leaf. Lay the 4 pieces flat with the big one on the bottom and the 3 smaller ones on top. Place leaves in hand and close hands slightly to make leaves in a small cup of coconut into cream which you pour the leaf
cream.
structure and close outside edges of the leaves to enclose the cream, making the leaves like a ball-like structure. Step 8. Wrap total package in aluminum foil, twisting the top to conceal and hold the package tight. Step 9. Put in oven and cook for about an hour at 250 degrees Celsius. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.